Folks, greetings. How we build an architect for cloud cum DevOps with automation skills. It is a global demanding role to accelerate cost savings on the IT budget. Let us see on these courses and who can build you with unique experiences, through proven cases. Who is the speaker? This is the presentation made on behalf of Shanthi Kumar V. He is a 3+ decades global IT experienced professional. What is his background? He worked in different countries through the top IT services companies. His strong skills were proven in his past companies on building the project's team's capabilities as per the client expectations through Center of Excellence COE practices. You can connect with him on LinkedIn to chat. How he achieved to this course design? He studied the cloud and DevOps projects issues through interaction with many professionals. He also studied many market research companies' published papers on the cloud and DevOps professional skills gaps. Then he came up with the Cloud cum DevOps Architects Building Curriculum to coach the IT professionals to mold into architect role. What he felt while planning for cloud infrastructure building itself, one need to plan and design for the infrastructure as code. In short, it's called as IAC. He included it in his Stage 1 course itself. His 2 stages of the course follows as below, whereas each stage runs for around 50 hours of online sessions. What is Stage 1? Now let us see about Stage 1. This is based on infra planning, design and conversion or building into cloud. During the course, he executes the following tasks. These are given in the flowchart also as his coaching methodology. 1. Identify the infra setup project. 2. Identify the components. 3. Write the detailed design steps. 4. Test them to comply on the sequence. 5. Create the entire infra setup and verify. 6. Convert the step 3 into IAC. 7. Test 6 in CF template. 8. Consolidate into IAC of step 5. 9. Test the IAC from step 8. 10. Baseline the IAC into Git. 11. Identify at least 10 different infra projects to follow from step 1 to step 10. In Stage 2 course he does TE following with SDLC process to build into DevOps architect role. There are 2 phases in this Stage 2 course, as follows. Phase 1. Follows AWS DevOps process. 1. Collect the IAC of Stage 1 of Step 10. 2. Deploy them into different VPC environments as IT sit UAT. 3. Apply the test cycles process with updated builds. 4. Use AWS deployment pipeline process. Phase 2 follows containerization for Stage 2 of Phase 1 steps. 1. Consider each project IAC towards infra setup from Stage 1 Steps 7 and Step 10. 2. From Step 1, analyze the setup for making them into containers. 3. Build the environment manually from Step 2, once the containers are designed through its infra design steps. 4. Convert Step 3 in IAC. It needs lot of attention here with different test cycles. 5. Test them for confirmation for Dockerization. 6. Use them to migrate to Kubernetes under orchestration. 7. Run the cluster in K8. 8. Use infra-cluster connectivity with other apps also as a separate process. Do a feasibility study. 9. Apply for all the 10 infra projects the same from Step 1 to Step 8. 10. Use EKS and Fargate features, wherever it is possible to complete in the job market. Folks, my final note is this coaching is similar to a co-resource building in an IT services company. They spend more on building competencies for demos on new technologies and practices for their clients. The participant will be built with such practices and competencies to hunt for competent role in the global IT market. I appreciate on watching this video. Thanks for your time. We wish you a greater success.